Hello, my name is Rich Howard, owner of Architectural Builder Supply, and this video is to bring you a closer look at the Lucky Line number 16734. This is a medium key identifier made of vinyl, 400 pieces in a clear box. So, what do you get? Well, you get this. It's a box that's got 400 pieces, assorted neon colors. All of that information is derived in the part number, and we're going to go over that. So, first of all, let's take a look at what's in the box. Pretty durable case they've got this in. Yeah, this is not going to be really super easy. The box really needs to be thoroughly removed from the package to be able to get it to perform properly. I'm just trying to sneak out these pieces to show them to you. So as I do so, the medium key identifier is going to be that key identifier that's going to be the most common. Yep. Okay. Patient's still alive for the most part. No terminal damage. So the medium size key identifier versus the small or the large is more common because you have it's compatible with most sizes of key identifiers. First of all, green, orange, pink, and yellow. Those are the four neon size colors. Green, orange, pink, and yellow. They are the sizes most the medium is the most common because it fits those common key blanks. The small one, and I'm going to show you how to find the small identifier, that'd be best for like a drawer lock or a cabinet lock. The large would be better for a larger size head. Baldwin has a standard larger size head, as does Hager. But your Schlager, your Kwikset, the medium is pretty good for that stuff. You can use the large, it's just not going to contour itself as tightly as you would have with the medium. Speaking of size, the overall diameter is about 1 inch. You're going to install that by sticking the blade of the key through the large hole down through the slot and then stretching the head, the rest of the key identifier, over the bow of the key blank. Okay, so the best thing to do now is to move to the manufacturer's webpage within our site. So there's a link below this video to the manufacturer's page where you can pull up not only all of the Lucky Line products that we sell, but also a link to the manufacturer's website, as well as a link to the current full product catalog and some prior catalogs as well. I like to keep prior versions available for review. So if you opened up the most current version and you did a search for the part number, which is 16734, Control F, you're going to get to the page where you'll be able to see the table on which this package is listed. When you look at that page, there's really only one page of key identifiers that you need to look at in terms of this product that we're discussing. There are three sections: retail pack, industrial pack, non-packaged high volume product. We're working only in the retail pack when talking about this. When you look at the 16734, you're going to see that 167 is your medium size. Okay, for most common keys, it's indicated there. Okay. Now, and that is indeed going to be considered most appropriate in terms of the size. The important thing is, as you change the part number, you can see how the packaging type, the quantity, and the actual item itself is all derived. So, for instance, you might say, well, I want to stick with a retail package because I literally want to have this on you're a lock shop. This material is going to a university and it could very likely be that this university is going to need this material displayed. If it was going to the university's lock shop, they would probably look for the material to be in the industrial pack, because it is less expensive when you purchase key tags without all of the unnecessary packaging. Why would you pay for this clear box when you're just going to throw it in the garbage? So you might look at it in terms of color. Well, if you're going for standard, stick with the standard colors. Like, for instance, this in the standard color would be the 16733. That would give you the assorted of the 7 primary root colors. 20 for black, 30 for blue, 40 for green? Yeah, 40 for green, 65 for purple, 68 magenta, 70 red, and 80 for yellow. And that is important because you can see down below. Okay, so the reason that's important we'll get to in a moment. In terms of the suffix for the color. But as you study the rest of the retail pack table, are you dealing with small, medium, or large? Go to that area. Maybe select your quantity, and then maybe select your packaging, and then your colors, and you'll say, oh, okay, I see what they're doing here. I know what to do. I know what part number I want. You can then grab that part number, populate it back into the website, and then continue on with your purchase, your search, etc. Now, the color is neat because you can look in the industrial pack down below. Let's say we're talking just about medium. So it's a 167. For sure 167, okay? Let's say you want a bag of 50 in green. 16740. That's how you're going to make that happen. You can also do bags of 20. 1674020. 40 for green, 20 for, hey, just 20, not 50. And you get the concept of how that works. Okay, the non-packaged high-volume product, stay away from that, because meaning there's no cost savings over the industrial pack until you get into the thousands of pieces. If you need thousands of pieces, you're going to want that. They're going to throw them into a box or a bag, and that'll be it. There'll be nothing to it, and it would be the least expensive way to go in terms of purchasing the material. Now, the rest of the catalog is incredibly helpful because it will permit you to familiarize yourself with the epic quantity of key management hardware that Lucky Line has. No one has more from a single catalog than does Lucky Line. You'll notice if you scroll through that catalog things such as a large variety of key identifiers, but key tags made of paper, plastic, aluminum, brass. They're going to be able to supply you with novelty items like lanyards and spring-style wrist coils with snap rings on them for your keys. They're going to be able to provide you with some custom printing that they can put your company name and your phone number on many of their products, in addition to some novelty key blanks. So let's say you're a real estate agent and you are turning over the house. They literally sell bows of keys in the common keyways, your Schlage and your Kwikset and maybe Weiser, in the shape of a house, and you can put your information on there. It's pretty nice. So that's all there available for your review. So that's going to give you a way to be able to dive into the world of key management hardware. And if you have more than an occasional need for this sort of product, Lucky Line would be the company to work with. They can accommodate requests for specials, given the idea that the quantity is adequate. Think thousands. And they have some unique items that I would recommend that you review. If you have any questions on the Lucky Line, 16734, now that I put Humpty Dumpty back together here, or any other Lucky Line product, please feel free to reach out to us. And thank you.